Hello and welcome to Deslet, a channel for intelligent and curious people like you who are searching for human sexuality in the age of artificial intelligence. And in this channel, we usually try to find the best possible answer to a question. And today's question is, what is symmetric encryption and why we need it for making robot data secure? I have been discussing robots safety, human robot safety, human robot partner safety, especially making the data secure. There are a lot of things we could do, and we have been discussing it in our previous video, since our previous video. And if you have not watched those videos, please make sure that you have watched those videos, because there are a lot of information regarding robot safety. Okay, and before we proceed, let me tell you one thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have already subscribed, tons of thanks for your support. And finally, although I talk about human sexuality and human sexual behaviors, amazing psychological facts regarding human sexuality, and sometimes, of course, sex robots like human and robot partners, but there is no vulgarity in this channel. And I don't promote any kind of vulgarity through this channel. Now, come back to our topic. What is symmetric encryption and why we need it for making our robot partners' data secure? Look, symmetric encryption plays a crucial role in safeguarding sensitive data handled by humanoid robots. And humanoid robots handle a lot of sensitive data. I mean, user profiles, all kind of biometric information, ID scans information, etc., etc., encryption, medical information, prescription, etc. So here is a deeper dive into how it works and how it enhances security, right? So the encryption process, we learn how the encryption process works. First of all, data preparation. The first step, the data to be protected, that means user preferences, sensor readings. And our robot partner is equipped with a lot of sensors from head to its toe, and this sensor takes data from you, receives data from you, and processes it in its CPU, and ultimately it's stored in either in local storage or cloud storage, or it takes a hybrid approach, right? We have talked about it in our previous video. Now it is first prepared for encryption after getting the data. This might involve formatting or padding the data to meet the algorithm's requirements. Next step is key selection. A secret key, a random string of bits, of course, is chosen for the encryption and decryption process. This key needs to be strong and kept confidential. Remember, because it's really very important, and because for the final step, which is encryption algorithm, the chosen symmetric algorithm, that means AES, takes the data and the secret key as inputs. Through a series of mechanical transformations, the algorithm scrambles the data into an unreadable format. The ciphertext, we call it ciphertext, right? The ciphertext is encrypted data, which no one can read except the machine, right? Now, how we use this symmetric encryption in robots? Okay, there are also some steps like secure communication, because robots often communicate with other systems. That means I just said cloud storage or control centers to transmit data. Symmetric encryption ensures this communication is secure. The robot encrypts data with a shared secret key before sending it, and the receiving system decrypts it with the same key. This prevents eavesdroppers or hackers from accessing the data even if they intercept the transmission. And the second and the final point, data storage is very important. Sensitive data stored on the robot's local storage or in the cloud storage, or it can take the hybrid approach, and they can be encrypted using symmetric algorithms. Okay, in case of unauthorized access, that means hacking, of course, the attacker would encounter encrypted data, so that the attackers now have to decrypt the data, which is very difficult task. And uh, while decrypting it has to rendering it useless without the decryption key, because the hacker should have the decryption key, otherwise it will not work. Okay, I hope it gives you a little bit more insights about your robot partners, especially the how to make robot data secure. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Take care and stay safe.